Alright, Apple just unveiled two new incredible devices, the M5 iPad Pro and the M5 MacBook Pro. And with me, I have both of those. So let's unbox this and see what it's all about. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and I've always talked about AI, learning about AI tools, but finally, we have machines which are built from the ground up for AI directly from Apple. Let's have a look at each of them. What do we have? It's a very big parcel. All right. Okay, there you go. So we have two brand new devices right in front of us. The first one being the iPad Pro right here that you can see. This is the latest 11-inch iPad Pro from Apple, powered by the M5 chip. We'll have a look at this in some time. And then, there you go, we have with us, this is the MacBook Pro 14-inch powered by M5, your iPad Pro powered by the M5 chip as well. Let's try to unbox both of them and see what's inside. All right, so first things first, let's start with this MacBook Pro. Let me see, where do we open it? The best thing about all these Apple devices is the unboxing experience itself. So you see, you don't need any knives or scissors. It's just these two peels that you take out and you are good to go. So I can just open it like that. And this is it. This is the compact 14-inch MacBook Pro that we have. Let me open it up like so. Okay, done. This is it. This is the newest MacBook in the space black. But what are the specifications on this? Let's have a look at that as well. So this one is powered by the M5 chip, has a 32 GB RAM, 1 TB storage, and a nano texture display. Now this MacBook Pro starts at 1,69,000 rupees in India, but this model is priced at 2,24,900 rupees. So this is a spec'd out version. We also get the Design by Apple in California kit. With that, we get these braided USB Type-C to MagSafe charger, and ultimately we get this power adapter. This is the 70-watt USB Type-C power adapter, and that's all that we get for the MacBook. All right, and this is the iPad Pro from Apple. Let's try to unbox this as well. Okay, that's one last one to peel, and we are good to go. Now this one is a 1 TB iPad Pro 11-inch display M5 with Wi-Fi and cellular. It starts at about 1 lakh rupees in India, but this model is 1,89,900 rupees. Let me try to open this up. Okay, this is always a special feeling. You know, my first Apple device was an iPad 4th generation, and ever since I've been in love with just the Apple ecosystem and how easy it is to use it. Okay, this is it. It's incredibly thin. I think this is the thinnest Apple device ever that Apple makes. It's thinner than the iPhone Air as well. Let me try to remove the paper. There it is. This is it. Wow. It's incredibly light. It's super portable and just feels amazing. All right, we also get the Design by Apple in California. I wonder if they still have those stickers. Oh, they don't, but they have the polishing cloth. This is the super interesting polishing cloth that you can use to clean up the iPad Pro. What else do we get? We get this braided cable, and we also get this brick. Now let's try to turn on both of these devices, starting with the iPad Pro itself. Now I'm going to turn it on like so. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. So this is how it turns on with the Apple logo. And this is the screen, the hello screen that you can see right here. Amazing. Feels really cool to be having an iPad Pro. This is my first iPad Pro ever, and I am just amazed by holding it in my hand. I think this is going to be my daily driver when I'm traveling outside. Normally I carry my MacBook Pro 16-inch powered by the M4 Pro chip, but I think this is going to be more than enough to handle all the work that I have when I'm traveling, when I'm on the go, going from one flight to another, from one time zone to another. This might just be the device that can help me with that. But obviously, when I need more power is when I come back to the MacBook Pro itself. All right, let's also try to open up this MacBook Pro. Now, the last 14-inch MacBook Pro I had was powered by the M1 Pro chip, and this one is the M5. It has all the ports that you can ask for, two USB Type-C over here, has a headphone jack, the MagSafe charging port, has an HDMI, another USB Type-C, and finally an SD card slot as well. Super handy for someone who records videos a lot every time like me. All right, there you go. I've opened it up. Let me take off this, and there you go. That is the new MacBook Pro. Oh wow, this is amazing. Just look at the hello in the new liquid glass animation. Okay, this is it. These are both the devices. Let me actually talk about why did Apple create the M5 chip. Now, we've all seen AI come into our lives and make us a lot more productive. So Apple has built the M5 focused on AI from the ground up. What that means is everything that you do with AI is now going to be supercharged. It's going to be ultra fast, all thanks to the M5 chip built into this M5 MacBook Pro and the iPad Pro as well. But this new MacBook Pro offers 3.5 times faster AI performance than the previous Pro models. You also get 1.6 times better graphics performance. So be it rendering 3D graphics, be it playing advanced games, everything is going to be super fast and done efficiently, all thanks to the M5 chip. And it continues to have a 24-hour battery life, the same liquid Retina XDR display, just like the previous models, but now delivers even better performance if you want to run AI models locally on the device. So think of any open source model, be it DeepSeek, be it Llama from Meta. It could also be the ChatGPT's OSS models, and it will be able to run it really effectively on the device itself. Not just that, it's also going to help you create images locally faster than ever before. It has on-device diffusion models, which is going to create images faster than ever before. So be it text to image, be it image to image generation, everything is going to be super fast. And along with that, it continues to deliver amazing performance because of the Apple Intelligence built into it. So anything like summarizing your emails, think of data modeling or Excel AI workloads, it will all be handled offline faster than ever before. Not just that, it's also going to help you for video editing. The latest M5 MacBook Pro is amazing for video editors. All of your super intensive tasks like upscaling, enhancement, AI-driven masking can now be done really fast, all thanks to the latest M5 chip, especially on an app like DaVinci Resolve. It's also great for developers. You can now run large language models locally faster than ever, and it's also great for prototyping, for debugging, and you also get code suggestion with Apple Intelligence and Core ML. The M5 chip comes with a 16-core neural engine, which is great for training any deep learning model that you might want to create. That is the new M5 MacBook Pro. And then we obviously have the stunning M5 iPad Pro. Now this machine is 5.5 times faster than the first M1 generation and 3.5 times faster than the previous M4 generation for any AI related tasks. It's incredible how fast technology is moving, getting faster than ever, and you get to experience all of that right in your hand with this iPad Pro. You get all the features of the M5 from the MacBook Pro, and it's even better for image generation, for tasks like handwriting recognition on tools like GoodNotes. Because of the improved graphics performance, you can now use Procreate to create even more complex brushes and effects that you've never done before. Like, just look at how thin this device is. I am in awe of the engineering that went into making something so lightweight and amazing in hand. I think this is going to be my go-to device whenever I'm traveling because of the two reasons. The first one is incredible performance for any AI-related tasks. Second, I can also now use the latest iPadOS 26 on this iPad Pro, meaning I can have all of that improved file management, I can run multiple apps on the same screen, and I can have that incredible performance on this iPad Pro, all thanks to the new M5 chip. And there you have it. This is the ultimate unboxing experience of the iPad Pro and the latest MacBook Pro powered by the M5 chip. What do you think of these devices? Are you someone who has a lot of AI workflows? And if so, would you be upgrading to this? Let me know below in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I will see you all in the next video. I'm gonna go get a nice cover for this, probably get a Magic Keyboard as well and start using this one right from today. I'll see you in the next one. I'll share more details about my experience of using both of these devices on my Instagram. So follow me over there if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.